Engine Note
Engine Note, and ngayon college na kami. Ang last engine note namin is, senior high school. Bakit may nakatake sa likod?
May commercial na tayo sa likod.
So, next, go.
Okay lang din. Pakitingin na lang ng sarili sa YouTube.
First question.
First question. How are you feeling today? Yes, may YouTube kami.
Happy, I'm feeling excited, I'm feeling, alright!
Alright, partner. Next question. What is your favorite song right now?
My current favorite song right now is Human Nature by Michael Jackson.
Wow! Okay, next.
Ano full name ni Michael Jackson?
Next.
Hello?
Ano full name ni Michael Jackson?
Abay, ewan ko.
There you have
There you have it. Next question, partner. Your current bias and bias right
Always Jongwon, forever and always. May bias and...
Jake nga wallpaper mo eh.
Uy!
Ay! Jongwon yan!
What?
And Jake is my bias right.
Wow.
Alright, partner. Next question. Siya pa rin ba is blank still
So
your...
right now, like, napanaginip ako siya kagabi and, you know, I'm feeling,
Alright,
there's this feeling na,
Next question.
may ulit na ramdaman?
Na feelers
And
ka.
kanina may mga songs na, hindi talaga ako nakaka-relate, pero kayo nakarelate ako, which is weird. And ayun, siya yung pinaka-last crush ko, and right now wala akong lalo sa college people.
Pinalalaro mo naman.
Ayun.
Next
Next question, partner. What is your goal for this month?
My goal for this month is to survive my quiz for Ma'am
For this
Alice.
month lang pala.
For this month, yes.
For this month.
Dapat it's tomorrow.
Monthly kasi
our
dapat
second
to.
quiz.
Never na kami natuloy ng monthly.
Yes. Goal for this month, to have a happy birthday because
birthday! Birth month niya, birth month.
my birthday month.
Birth month nga.
Birth month.
September is her day. 23. Oh, let's move on. What is the most memorable thing that happened this
The
month?
most memorable thing that happened to me is since our crushy day. Our crushy day, and you know, after 1 month nagkaroon na kami ng freshie day, freshie walk. Yung freshie walk namin around the campus lang, building to building, and I thought that nagplasa kami mag-freshie walk. And ayun, like, maraming previous sponsors!
Naka-sponsored kami, yes.
Sponsor ko kami ng heart.
So, partner, pakita mo naman ang mga sponsor natin, partner.
Pond and Crim Silk, and also the Vaseline. We put it in our arms, and yeah.
Okay, so, last question. Note for each other. Partner, no.
Right. You know, no senior high school, we prayed na same school, kahit hindi same course, same school, basta we're together. And ayun, natupad na, hindi, same school ka, pero hindi
Section. Hindi kami pinalad ng section.
Pero hindi siya dream school namin.
Oo, hindi siya dream school, unfortunately.
Okay, because, ayun, at same, kami, organization, same program, and in just, ngayon, October, in just 3 months, we will be, we will have,
Second sem?
Second sem.
Be together?
We will be together na, again, and I will always be on your left.
Wow. Out ang sim nila.
Yes. Alright.
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 Alright. Tama, may epal doon sa likod mo. Alright, partner. Alright.
Ano ka siya?
Wingman ka namin. Hoy.
Andrino!
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to the vlog.
Hey guys, my name is Kyle Narvaez. Nakaipabook kasi YouTube.
So my life story is we
Uy,
met-
teka, hindi
we
mo
met
to Alright, that's enough. Guys. Alright.
Let's give it a round of applause.
Thank you so much for your appearance. Bye-bye. Good.